Don't fry eggs so often. Here's how to make perfect poached eggs for beginners. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Have you ever dreamed of eating a perfect poached egg? Smooth, shiny white, embracing the soft yolk that melts in your mouth, just like in a five-star restaurant? But what about the reality? Broken yolks, crushed eggs, white foam floating on the surface of the water. If you've tried many times and still failed, today I'm going to reveal 4 super simple ways to make poached eggs successfully the first time, right in your own kitchen. Are you ready? I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To have a perfect poached egg, it is important to choose fresh eggs. There are 2 ways to check, by hand and by shaking. Fresh eggs have a slightly rough shell covered with a natural white layer. That is the protective membrane. When gently shaken, fresh eggs will not make any sound or vibrate inside, while old eggs will make noise and feel loose. Before cooking, you should wash the eggs to remove harmful bacteria on the surface of the shell, because it may be contaminated with chicken droppings or dirt. Now prepare a basin of clean water. Add a tablespoon of salt and stir with your hand to dissolve completely. Gently drop the eggs into the water, being careful not to crack the shell. Soak the eggs in salt water for about 5 minutes. Salt water helps to clean more thoroughly, has a mild antibacterial effect, and limits the remaining bacteria on the shell. After soaking, use a soft paper towel to gently wipe the surface of the eggshell. Where are you? Leave a comment and let me know. It's great that we can meet all over the world. At this point, any stains will be easily wiped off. Do the same with the remaining eggs. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, change the water and wash the eggs again to make sure they are completely clean. After washing, place the eggs on a plate and let them drain. Now you can confidently do the next steps or cook according to your desired recipe. First, pour enough water into the pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare a ladle. Add about 1/3 teaspoon of cooking oil to the ladle and coat it evenly inside. This thin layer of oil will help the eggs not stick when poached. Then, gently crack the egg into the ladle. If you crack the egg directly into the pot of boiling water, the liquid white will spread out and create foam, while the unsettling part may sink to the bottom, stick to the pot, and make the egg lose its shape. Next, hold the ladle with the egg just above the boiling water, allowing the heat to start to solidify the egg. Be careful not to let the water spill over the ladle. The high temperature will help the egg stick together and keep its beautiful shape. Once the egg has formed in the ladle, gently lower it into the pot. Since the egg has partially formed, it will keep its beautiful round shape, not break, not foam, and not stick to the pot. Boil for another 2 to 3 minutes and it's done. When the time is up, gently scoop the egg out onto a plate. Oh, look! Isn't it delicious? This type of poached egg has a full round shape. The white completely covers the yolk without breaking or spreading. The texture is soft and delicate, very convenient to eat with porridge or noodles for breakfast. Simple and delicious. You can also try the second method. First, pour water into the pot, cover it, and boil it. At the same time, prepare 2 bowls. Add a little water. And rotate them a few times like this. Then put an egg in each bowl. At this time, the water in the pot has boiled. We turn off the stove. Wait for the water to stop bubbling, then put the plate of eggs in and slowly pour it down. Thanks to gravity, if the bowl is too far from the water surface, the egg white and yolk will easily separate. The reason for turning off the stove is because if the fire is still on, the water will boil gently. The egg poured down will be swept away by the water flow, creating a lot of white foam. Or if you choose eggs that are not fresh, the eggs will melt in the pot. When you see the eggs have taken shape, cover and steam for 1 to 2 minutes. When the time is up, open it to see. The egg white is as white as silkworm, completely covering the yolk. Now, the egg is completely solidified. If you like runny eggs, you can stop at this step. If you want them to be more cooked, continue to cover and cook for about 3 minutes on the lowest heat. After 3 minutes, the poached eggs are just cooked. Look, the yolk is just cooked. At this time, the eggs are the most delicious, fragrant, and sweet. Then flip the eggs over and turn off the heat. The eggs cooked like me are beautifully puffed, intact, round, and beautiful. Serve on a plate. The eggs are both delicious and beautiful. Both adults and children like them. Method 3. Steam poaching. This method is simple and suitable for beginners. Prepare 2 small bowls. Pour clean water into about 1/3 of the bowl, enough to float the eggs. Then, crack an egg into each bowl. Adding water helps the egg white and yolk to be evenly distributed. Avoiding direct contact with the bottom of the hot bowl when steaming, thereby limiting sticking, deformation, or uneven cooking. This method is very effective if you want the poached eggs to be fluffy, intact, and keep their shape. Then pour water into the pot and place the steamer on top. When the water boils, place the small bowls with the eggs inside. Cover and keep the heat at medium to steam evenly. The ideal steaming time is 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the desired doneness. If you like soft yolks, steam for about 6 minutes. When the time is up, turn off the stove, but do not open the lid immediately. Let the eggs continue to steam in the residual heat for about 30 seconds to stabilize the temperature, avoiding sudden changes that cause the eggs to shrink or break. Then, open the lid and gently remove the bowl. Finally, pour out the remaining water in the bowl. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. At this point, you have a delicious, soft, and perfectly shaped poached egg. The egg white covers the yolk. The surface is smooth, without lumps or tears. Whether you like soft melted eggs or chewy, both the direct poaching and steaming methods help the eggs maintain their beautiful shape without distortion. Thanks to that, even beginners can easily make round, beautiful poached eggs. Try it now. All three methods, poaching or steaming, will give you soft egg whites and perfectly cooked yolks, neither too dry nor too runny. The egg whites are slightly chewy, not fishy, melt in your mouth, and retain their natural sweetness. Thanks to precise temperature and time control, the eggs will not be dry or chewy, providing a delicate, gentle experience. This is a simple, quick, and perfect way to cook for family meals while still ensuring flavor and nutrition. I have shared with you a simple and effective way to poach eggs. I look forward to hearing your experience when applying these little tips. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below so we can discuss and learn more interesting tips. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on great tips. See you in the next video.